CATIA V5, Imagine a Shape, how to define symmetric zones. So over here I have a subdivision, we have a cube over here, and we have the geometry on the top divided. Now, if I will press space to go within edit mode, if I will select, for example, this edge over here, and if I will move this on the z-axis, we're gonna see how the mesh will deform symmetric on the other side as well. If I will select, for example, this segment, hold down Control, select the last one over here, and now if I move on the z-axis, we're gonna see that on the left side, only this will change, but on the right side, we're gonna have all of those edges moving. So we can define different symmetric zones within CATIA using the Symmetric Zone tool over here. And as we can see, we have the first region over here, and the second one will be position over here. Now, to see exactly how to set up this, I will create a new part. So I'll just close this, go to Start, Shape, Imagine a Shape. I will create a new part. By default, for me, since I changed the options, we're gonna have this axis. I'm just gonna hide that, show the three default planes. And now I will select one of those, define a cube. Afterwards, I will go with a face cutting, and this will be set to 3. And I will divide the faces over there and also the faces over here. Now, I will press Escape to cancel that face cutting. In order to apply the symmetric zones, we're going to find the operation over here. We need to select the subdivision for which we want to enable this. In this case, will be the only one, which is subdivision surface 1. And within the tool palette, we're going to have over here select zone 1. And for zone 1, I will select this face over here. And over here, we have select zone 2, which will be this one. And we're going to see how that symmetric area will be added. Using this tool, we can also symmetrize the faces over here. So we can do that for the selected faces, or we can apply the mean symmetry on the whole part. Once we have this defined, we can just click it once. I'm going to click yes, because we see that the last modification is not applied. Do you want to apply the modification? Yes, we want to apply this subdivision. That will appear over here underneath the subdivision surface. We're going to have the symmetric zone. And now if I will want to manipulate this, for example, I will move this edge. We're going to see that this will move on the other side as well. So we have that symmetry added. And it will be the same, since if I will select the first one over here, hold down Control, select the last one, this will give me the whole loop selection. And now if I will move this on the z-axis, we're going to see how we have that non-symmetric symmetry added. So this is quite an interesting tool. In some cases, maybe you don't want full symmetry, so you can make use of this, this trick over here. So I hope that you find this video useful. I will position a similar video on the left side. I will add this to the CATIA V5 tips and tricks. And I will also add a subscribe button over here on the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.